go wandering once again back to the seasons of my youth.
I recall a box of rags someone gave us, and how my mama
put the rags to use. There were rags of many colors, and every piece was small. And I didn't have a coat, and it was way down in the fall. Mama sewed the rags together, sewing every piece with love. She made my coat of many colors that I was so proud of.
What's Mama told a story from the Bible she had read about a coat of many colors Joseph wore. Then she said,
perhaps this coat will bring him good luck and happiness. And I just couldn't wait to wear it, and Mama blessed it with
my coat of many colors that my mama made for me, made only from rags, but I wore
it so proudly. Even though we had no money, I was rich as I could be in my coat of many colors Mama made for me. So with patches on my breeches
and holes in both my shoes, in my coat of many colors, I hurried off to school, and just to find
the others laughing and making fun of me in my coat of many colors that Mama made for me. Oh, I couldn't understand it, for I felt like I was rich. And I told them of the love my mama sewed in every stitch. And I told them all the story Mama told me while she sewed it, how my coat of many colors
was worth more than all their clothes. They didn't understand it, and I tried to make them see that one is only poor only if they choose to be.
I know we had no money, but I was rich as I could be in my coat of many colors my Mama made for me. Although we had no money, well, I was rich as I could be in my coat of many colors that Mama made